Hi everyone, my name is Petra and welcome back to my channel. I'd like this channel to be mainly about on-location sketching, but since it's a cold February here in Czech Republic, I'm practicing from photos for now. Today I'd like to show you my process of creating a watercolor wash over an ink base. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know about using watercolor over ink is that you have to let the ink thoroughly dry. Because it's a sunset scene, I prepared a tea consistency of burnt sienna and ultramarine blue to cover the sky and the buildings. Here I have to be a little careful. I'd like these two colors to blend nicely on the paper, but want to avoid them turning green. So I barely touch the burnt sienna with the ultramarine blue. The building is mainly in a shadow, so I use ultramarine to cover the buildings. A few splashes for more organic look. When it's still wet, you can add more color, but remember you have to have less water on a brush than it's already on paper. Otherwise, you get those cauliflowers effects. Here I am adding just a hint of very slight hue of green, lifting up some spots for building in background. Just a little more color here and there, and this will be all for the first wash. You have to let the first wash thoroughly dry. I cut out a drying process, but meanwhile I prepared a mix for shadows. I used ultramarine blue, hint of alizarin crimson, and then burnt sienna, and for neutralizing burnt umber. You can notice I switched the brush for being more precise. This is number 6 Escoda VERSATIL. I am simply adding more shadows where I can see them. I'm adding darker value of paint as the building is in shadow. more shadows to the background. I am adding a few darker shadows where it's needed for bigger contrast. Checking if it's dry. Adding some saturation and warm where needed. A hint of red for flags. And I thought it would be a good idea to get the red somewhere else on the picture. And I am creating more thicker mix for deepest shadows. And I use ultramarine blue for sea. trying to apply a dry brush technique. Since there are only a few details left to finish, I'll take this opportunity to ask what kind of content interests you the most. I started this one midway through the process because I wanted to take it easy in the beginning. I am completely new to making videos, so be patient with me. There is a lot to figure out, from choosing the right filming equipment to editing in a new software. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see. Sketching techniques for beginners, a look inside my sketching kit, ink sketches, watercolor techniques. The main reason why I started this channel in the first place is that I couldn't find enough urban sketching related videos, so I'm going definitely out to film my first on location video when it gets warmer. I can't wait, it's going to be a real challenge for me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.